started into this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on the post notifications so you can know when I do more videos like this. So let's get started. This is my magic slime, and look what I can do. Whoa, that feels really good. Whee. This is really cool. Wow. I'm gonna try to make a bubble. Whoa! Look at that. That's cool. There's a lot of tiny bubbles. I love this magic slime. It's the best. I love the feeling. Look, I made a bubble. Let's see. It didn't pop. Oh, there we go. Whoa. I love this so much. A lot of bubbles. Look, there's a bubble right there. Oh. I love this. It not only does this, but it also changes colors because of my mood. So if I just touch it, it might turn what mood I am in. Whoa! Did you see that? It turned yellow. That means I'm happy. But it's really pretty. I love it. It's This is a really pretty yellow. This is a really, really pretty yellow. Wow. I love this slime so much. Let me go call Ariel to see what mood she'll get. Now I'm gonna go call Ariel. Ariel, come here. Now let's see what mood she changes. Touch it. Let's see. Whoa! It's pink. That means love. Ooh, that's nice pink.
That's a really pretty pink.
Isn't it? Aiden to see what color it would change. Aiden! Come here! We're gonna see what color it would change depending on your mood. Touch it. Whoa! It turned red. Did you see that? It's red. Oh my gosh. Red means angry. Are you mad? Oh my god.
That blood means red.
Really? Oh my gosh. It is. I didn't think of that. That is really cool. Whoa. This is nice. This is an amazing red. I love this red. I'm thinking of a picture. Whoa! It changed. Oh, I remember this picture. It's when Aiden was meeting Lightning McQueen. He was a bit shy in those olden times, but now he's not that shy anymore. He's a bit crazy. Whoa. Look, it's Aiden. Look at Aiden and Lightning McQueen. That's funny. Whoa, this is cool.
I don't know why queen.
You saw Lightning McQueen in this picture? Look, you're right there. It's funny.
Where?
You're right there. Do you see you?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that cool? And then there's Lightning McQueen. That's really cool. Oh, look, there's another picture. Oh, I remember this. It's me meeting Mickey. That's really cool.
Oh, to me too.
Yeah, you're right there too. That's really cool. And make sure you go check out the video of us going to Mickey's house. It's really cool. I love this one. Oh, there's another one. It's California Adventure. I was right next to a bunch of balloons. They were super big. Whoa.
Whoa.
Isn't that cool? There's another picture. Look at that. Whoa, let me spread it out to see the picture a bit better. Oh, it's Pixar Pier. I was with my cousin Jimena. And you see the roller coaster in the background? That's really cool. It was dark. You liked it. Let me know if you would like me to do any other type of slime. This is my magic slime. Hope you guys liked it. I loved it. So make sure you comment down below on any other types of slime I should do. And yeah. So bye.
Try.